Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. I wanted to pop in here and share with you the Bring Back My Paper Pack Skylark and the workshop around it. I had the opportunity to make it and actually get pictures on it, so I'm really excited to share it with you. But this collection, they brought back a beautiful paper collection with a sticker sheet in Skylark. They brought back the paper by itself, and then the coordinating cardstock matches the current colors that are available. And then there is a beautiful stencil that you're going to see a lot of artwork that I created using this stencil. And then this was the stamp set that they brought back as well. And this one is the US version because it does not have an E next to it. So please make sure if you get this by itself that you get the one that does not have the E, because the one that has the E has the spelling of favorite correctly for the UK market, whereas we spell it with an O, they spell it with an OU. So I just want to bring that to your attention. And then there is a fabulous product bundle, which is this one right here, and that is what the workshop is designed around. And then there's one with the British spelling, and then there's one without the sticker, or excuse me, without the stamp set. You can just get the paper bundle. And then there, oh, this is the workshop kit right here. I apologize. Okay, so going back to this, there is a product bundle, and then there is a workshop bundle, which is right here. And those are the projects that I'm going to be sharing with you right now, and you're going to absolutely love them. And then there's a workshop bundle with the British spelling, and then there is a workshop without the stamp set. So there's a lot of choices, but these are available through the end of January. And I want to get right into sharing with you some of my favorite products from this. Well, first of all, I finally had a chance to try these journaling strips, and I'm here to tell you I absolutely love them, and I'm going to be using them on every single one of my layouts going forward. And you can see that I've actually cut them to the areas of my layouts, and I'll show those to you in just a minute. But these are the cards that are made in the workshop. So there's two A2 size cards, and then there's two slimlines. And look at how beautiful those are. They're just using basically leftover paper and then this fabulous stencil. And I'm going to share with you in just a minute how to use the stencil. There is the stamp set. Here is what the stencil looks like. It is a huge 12 by 12 stencil. And these are my pages, and I'm so excited because I have pictures, I have journaling, I did it all. And this workshop was so incredibly fun, and you get flip-flaps in it. So you can actually do the flip-flaps for these pages. And look at how beautiful that stenciling is. Lots of ink distressing. There's actually ink distressing underneath this piece, but because I printed my journaling from my computer, I covered it up. So I just wanted to bring your attention to that when you look at it from the original one. So that's the first double page layout. This workshop will make 3 double page layouts and just tons of flip-flaps that you're going to absolutely love. But look at my journaling, all of my handwritten journaling on here, and those journaling strips are the bomb diggity. They are so incredible, and I absolutely loved them, and they really helped me put my own handwriting down onto these pages and share the story of my daughter and I in Reims, France, and we went to the Champagne country and did a wine tour, and we had so much fun, and we met these fabulous people from New Zealand, and it was just so fun to be able to commemorate our trip together with these Skylark papers. I think they are just so perfect. And then this was the last part of our tour. We got to go and actually overlook this city and this vineyard, and we got to go to the church where Dom Perignon was buried, and that was super fun. So you can see how beautiful these pages are, and they're just, the workshop was so fabulous. You're going to absolutely love it. And I want to share with you how easy it is to use this stencil and your inks. So we have our blending brushes, which I absolutely love. I've been labeling all of mine so I don't have to wash them when I'm done using them. And the stencil is just so beautiful, but I want to give you some tips and tricks for using it so that yours will last. And the key is to ink up your brush just like this. Just swirl it around onto the pad. And then you want to do a circular motion on your stencil. And the reason for that is it will not bend these areas. And you can always use some tape to tape it down so that it doesn't lift up as you're moving your hand. But look at how beautiful this stencil is, and it just is so beautiful. And you can do real soft in these outer areas just to give a little bit of ink. The harder that you press down, the more color that you are going to create. But look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that so beautiful? I'm going to have to make a card with this. But I wanted to just share with you how easy the stencil is. And because we design them in-house, you're going to really love to see the majority of the new projects that are coming out that involve stenciling. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you so much for following me if you already do. And if you don't, please like and subscribe to this channel if you love crafting. And every week I pop in here and share something new. Have a great week, everyone.